often tracks in this area. This is pressure building up and then pressure releasing. Okay, I'm going to lift you up from the front of the pelvis. Good. This side. Okay. I'm going to drop this slowly. Okay. Now, I'm going to put you on your side, okay? Right side is going to be up. So, George, you help me with this? Okay. Derecho hacia arriba. This, okay? So if you want to lift your body, we're going to turn you on your side facing your wife, okay? Exactly. There. There we go. Right there.